Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can turn out document cloud syncs on WPS Office app to save data and storage. So if your WPS Office app constantly syncing files to its document cloud and draining your battery and also chewing up your data, you need to take control of the automatic sync settings, and this is how you can do it. So first you can just launch the WPS Office applications on your phone. And now you can just head into the Me or profile in the top right corner. You can click on your name at the top right. And in here, you'll see the option WPS Cloud Service. So just click on that option. And in here, you guys can see document cloud sync is turned on. So you can just toggle it off for automatic document synchronizations to disable. So you can just click on turn off again, and just like that, now the cloud sync will be disabled. So that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. So please give me a like, leave a comment, and also click on the thanks. I'll see you in the next tutorial.